So, hello everyone, I am Surbhishri. Welcome to my channel. I do tarot readings for the people all around the world. So, you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Okay. So right now I'm gonna do your general reading for Leo people for the month of July 2021 with this tarot card. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull 3 cards from tarot deck. First card will be the first 10 days of July. Second card is the middle 10 days of July, and the third card will be the last 10 days of July. So I will pull 3 cards, okay, and we will see with some clarifiers, and at the end we can just pull one card for as an outcome and advice for Leo. Okay, so please angels and guides, give me card for Leo people. Okay. Oh wow, you know what, this is a card of Leo. Sun is a card of Leo. Okay, it's ruled by Surya. And it's a great card, like, yeah, we have sun, moon, and we have soulmate cards. Like, you are watching for your love interest, or you are waiting for someone from your past, something like that, or you are in your twin flame journey. Like, I know many of you are not aware about twin flame journey, so just Google it. Okay, and like these all cards and these all splits is telling me that you are in some twin flame journey and just juggling in your life, because we have received this 2 of Swords here, and you are just conflicting yourself or your mind between two things. Okay, like your family or personal situation, or your career or your finance, something. You are just juggling between two things. Okay, and we have received 2 moons. Just look at this. Here we have 1 moon, and here 3 moon. Moon is all about emotions. Okay, emotions and some mysterious things, some secret hidden feelings you have for someone, or someone is something like secret feelings for you or something like that. So you are in juggle situation, like you are juggling between two things. 2 of Swords, like she is in or he is in confusion that what to do in his or her life. Okay, it's a general reading, Leo, so take what resonates with you or your life situation, for what interest you are watching this. So basically here I am just seeing about some personal situation, love situation. Like, we have 6 of Cups. It's a soulmate energy, right? So we have 2 energies here, like soulmate energies, and also we have twin flame energies. Like, your relations is not casual relations or something from short term. It's a long term, it's a long lasting, long term relations you have with someone. So you are waiting for this. Okay, that's why you are not feeling satisfied, and like you are just going through some your mental illusion right now, mental confusion between two things. Okay, and you are very just this card is very stuck energy, and just all about mental head conflict stuff, just thinking and thinking, like that. Okay, so soulmate energy we have, like someone is returning from your past or from your childhood, or you are waiting for this to happen. Why I'm saying you this, because moon is the energy of, sorry, I hope you will see these cards. So you have some secret hidden feelings towards someone which is you are not showing, and just these are creating your mental conflicts. Okay, just you are just keeping all the things within you and not sharing with anyone. Okay, but at last we have at last the sun is coming into your way. Okay, wow, Ace of Cups, the Chariot. Exactly. Okay, we have we have two fast moving cards like Eight of Wands and the Chariot. Okay, this is from minor arcana and this is from major arcana. Like these both cards are telling me like you are moving towards something, or someone is moving towards you very fast, some communication or some meetings, some person to meet you, and just it's a very fiery energy. Eight of Wands is all about communication, all about traveling, all about some positive movements. Okay, and it is coming into a way, and like we have received this sun, right? So in a positive way it is coming to your way, and underneath we receive this Ace of Cups also. Like exactly, like you are receiving some cup of love in your life, or someone is traveling towards you, like from your past. I don't know, take what resonates with you, or it could be any, it could be your twin flames. Okay, it could be your twin flame, like you haven't met this person or something like that, but you are gonna meet in the July, in the month of July. These all cards are showing me this. So yeah, it's a yin yang energy here we have, and also soulmate, and just all the positive cards here, and we have also major arcanas like Chariot and this. So I will take one outcome or advice for you. Overall it's a great reading, Leo, and maybe you are dealing with some Pisces people, or Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, and air sign Aquarius, Libra, and Gemini. And this is your card, Leo. Leo is very lucky, Leo is very lucky in his or her life, like because they are hard worker. Okay, they do a lots of hard work and very straightforward in his her life. So that's why they always is in positive energy and something. Okay, so sun is telling me that yeah, light is coming into your way. So take me one card, give me one card for Leo people for the month of July 2021. An advice for Leo people. Three of Pentacles. Yeah, it's gonna work. It's a collaboration card, it's a teamwork card, and also if you are watching for your relationship, then yeah, it will work. Three of Pentacles is a very very happy energy here. It will work, and it will survive for long lasting. It's a long lasting energy, as we can see that we have twin flames and we have soulmate also. This is a soulmate card and this is twin flame cards. So yeah, definitely it will works. At the end of the July it will work. Okay, Three of Pentacles, it's you both will be just doing something together. Okay, you will come together, definitely you will come together. Okay, so this is all about Leo. So Leo, if you like what I do, please subscribe to my channel, and like and share and with your family and friends. Okay, so thank you, Leo.